Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a beginner and want to start trading on Binance in 2025, this is your ultimate guide. We will go over spot trading, market versus limit orders, setting up your account, and key trading tips. Let's jump in. Step 1. Create your account at Binance.com. Complete the KYC verification. Go to account, then click identification and follow the process. Enable two-factor authenticator app like Google Authenticator or SMS. Just go to security tab and follow the process. Optional, add anti-phishing code for security. From advanced security, click anti-phishing code, then enable. Create anti-phishing code, enter your 6 to 8 characters, including at least 3 of the following types: uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, and underscore, like that. Click submit. When done, and that's it. Then copy the phishing code, and now once verified, you can deposit funds and start trading. To trade, you need to deposit funds. From deposit crypto, click deposit crypto from here. Now go back to your dashboard and log into your account with your credentials. Now deposit crypto like BTC, USDT, or deposit fiat by bank transfer, card, or P2P depending on your country. Go to wallet, or from dashboard click deposit, then deposit crypto, and wait for the confirm and select chain, coin, like that, then network TRC20, then copy the address and paste it. Another platform. Spot trading means buying or selling crypto at the current market price. Example, you can trade, go to spot. For example, you can trade BTC or USDT like that. Select one from the right side. You can search BTC or USDT, then click on it, and sorry, and that's it. You own the actual crypto after the trade. No leverage, no loans. It's simple and beginner friendly. To access the trading platform, go to trade, then spot. Like here's what you will see: left order books, live buy and sell offers, center price chart, right pair selection, bottom center, buy and sell order panel. Now let's trade. Market order by crypto, buy or sell instantly at best available price, perfect for beginners who want fast execution. Limit order, set your own price. The trade will only execute when the market hits that price. Great for getting better value, just be patient. For example, want to buy BTC at $60,000, set a limit order, select the currency, select the used crypto coin. Want BTC now, use the market order. Just select your coin here, from here, then click buy or sell. Let's place a market buy. Choose a trading pair like BTC and USDT. Select market, enter the amount you want to spend, click buy BTC. Done. Your BTC is now in your spot wallet. To view your assets, go to wallet, then spot. From here you can see it. To sell, head back to spot trading page, pick the pair like BTC and USDT, same that, then place a sell order. You can sell all or part of your crypto whenever you want. And that's how to start trading on Binance as a beginner in 2025. We covered account setup, deposits, spot trading, and placing orders. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a follow-up on futures or margin trading. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.